Top 8 Smart Robotic Pool Cleaners of the Year. BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner, Dual Cleaning Machine. BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra uses AI to clean all surfaces and improve water clarity in one cycle. Hybrid Sense cleans any pool shape. Clear water keeps water clear without chemicals. Cordless and app-controlled, it's priced at $3,450 and available on BeatBot.com, Amazon, and Walmart. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Premier features SmartNav 2.0, multimedia filtration, and powerful waterline cleaning. Features include a weekly timer, interchangeable filters, and a 3-year warranty. It costs $1,749 but is currently on sale for $1,499, saving you $250. Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Scuba S1 features a cordless design that eliminates tangled cords. Its powerful battery provides up to 90 minutes of cleaning time, perfect for small to medium pools. Its compact design efficiently scrubs floors and walls, making it ideal for straightforward cleaning solutions. YBot S2 Pro with charging dock high-end cordless robotic pool cleaner. The YBot S2 Pro features a high-end cordless design with a charging dock for continuous operation. It uses advanced navigation with Wi-Fi and sonar to map your pool, ensuring complete coverage. The only cleaner with a side-mounted dock, no removal needed to recharge. BeatBot iSkim Ultra Robotic Pool Skimmer. The BeatBot iSkim Ultra captures floating debris before it sinks. Cordless and sensor-equipped for full coverage, energy efficiency, and easy filter care. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus has dual scrubbing brushes and advanced filtering for pools up to 50 feet. Its smart navigation scans and maps the pool to optimize cleaning, ideal for larger pools. Polaris Freedom Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom uses smart navigation to cover every pool corner independently. It handles all debris from fine sand to large leaves with a user-friendly interface for easy operation. Smooneye Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot. The Smonet CR6 Pro provides affordable, efficient, and easy cleaning. Perfect for small pools, it offers powerful suction and quick cleanup, great for beginners.
Go to GearBrain for more information.